In this video, we're going to be talking about standard form and expanded form. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is 9,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 5 written in standard form? This is expanded form. And writing something in standard form just means writing out the number like a regular number. So expanded form like this, you would need to remember your place value chart. So this is how you start, okay? So now we're getting into bigger numbers, and we have the thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Okay, so $9,000 is just 9,000s. So we're just taking this expanded number and we're writing it out in terms of place value. Then 700 is 700s. And 30 is 3 tens. And 5 is 5 ones. So to write it out, we just need to put it into the place value chart. So let's do that. So let's put the 9,000 goes here. So this is 9,000s. Then 700 is 700s. So we just put a 7 here. And then for 30, that's just 3 tens. So we just put 3 tens here. And for the ones, 5 is 5 ones. So we just put the 5 under the ones. So that's how the number looks in standard form. And so you could just rewrite the number 9,735. So that's this expanded number written in standard form right here. So this is the standard form. And don't worry if it doesn't make sense right now. Just rewatch the video and it'll make sense if you watch it maybe 1 or 2 more times.